This is a problem on your web assignment for lesson 5-2. That's a little different than any of the examples that I did in class with you. So I wanted to make sure I went through one like this with you here. So we're asked to change the radical to simplest radical form. And what's different about this one is that you have a cube root in the bottom of your fraction. We did some examples where we rationalized with a square root, but not with a cube root. What we have to do on these is we have to not multiply the top and bottom by only cube root of 7. That would give us the cube root of 49, and 49 is not a perfect cube. We actually have to multiply the top and bottom by 2 cube roots. So we have to multiply by the cube root of 7 twice. Now what that's going to give us in the numerator is we've got that cube root of 49, but I'm going to break that down to 7 times 7, and I'll show you why. So I've got 49 under the cube root, and then I have the first cube root of 7 that I multiplied the top and bottom by, and the second cube root of 7 that I multiplied the top and bottom by. Now I have cube root of 343 on the bottom, and 343 is one of our perfect cubes. It's equal to 7. So we've eliminated the radical from the bottom of the fraction. That was our goal. Now up here on the top, we also have cube root of 343 as well. So that can become a 7 out in front. And we just have to leave that last 7 underneath the cube root. Finally, 7 over 7 is 1, so we can cancel those, and we end up with our final answer being equal to just the cube root of 7.